Everyone, this video is going to introduce you to chemistry. Have you ever wondered why I need to learn chemistry? Well, let me tell you, it's because chemistry is everywhere around us. Can you think of anything that you do or use in your everyday life that is related to chemistry? I'm pretty sure you can come up with many examples. Let's look at few of them. Cooking is related to chemistry. Adding bleach to your laundry is related to chemistry. Turning on your car is related to chemistry. Putting your bicarbonate into water and start fizzing, this is related to chemistry. When you digest your food, this is related to chemistry. Photosynthesis is related to chemistry. And many more examples. Now, when we talk about chemicals, most people have a very narrow view of them. They would associate them with either pollutants or dangerous poisons. In fact, chemicals make up virtually everything we come into contact with in our world. For example, in your soda drink, you have carbon dioxide, water, sugar. This is chemistry. The tip of your pencil is made out of graphite, which is a bunch of carbon. This is also chemistry. Your DNA is also chemistry. So let's go back and answer, why do I need to learn chemistry? Because the knowledge of chemistry is important to everyone. It will teach you the benefits and risks associated with chemicals and help you make informed decisions about the world around you. Studying chemistry also teaches you problem solving and how you can communicate in a more logical way. All of these skills will be helpful in your college and also throughout your career. Now let's introduce some definitions. So, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the science that seeks to understand what matter does by studying what atoms and molecules do. If you look at this definition, we have the word matter. So, what is matter? Matter is anything that has a mass and occupies space. So taking this into consideration, we can say that chemistry is the study of everything in the universe except for the space and the vacuum. Matter is in fact made out of atoms and molecules. So atoms and molecules are tiny particles that compose all common matter. What is the difference between atoms and molecules? Well, the atoms, when they are bound together, they form the molecules. And when they bond together, whatever is keeping them attached to each other, it's called a chemical bond. So matter is made out of atoms. These atoms can either be free atoms or could be atoms that are attached to another atom through a chemical bond, and in this case we call them molecules. We will look at atoms and molecules in more details in the later chapters. For now, let's look at how do chemists think. Well, chemists look into the world of atoms and molecules and their motion. And they actually want to know, how do these atoms and molecules interact with each other? How do they behave? And we call that the microscopic picture. Microscopic picture. So to understand this, let's look at the slate. When we view the lake from a distance, we get an overall picture of the water, the shoreline, and this overview is called the macroscopic picture. So macroscopic picture. For chemists, they want to look at the microscopic picture. They want to see what's in that water. So for chemists, this is how they perceive water. This is made out of, so one drop of this water lake is made of water molecules, oxygen, and other substances that are dissolved into that water. So what chemistry does, it actually makes a connection between the microscopic world of molecules and the macroscopic world of everyday life. It will be able to tell you why certain things behave the way they are by looking at the chemical composition, what they are made of. That's it for this video. We are gonna see how do most scientists, or what methods do most scientists use for problem solving. See you next time.